Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to claim free rewards in Binance. So to start, you have to open your Binance, log into the Binance and then go to wallet. This time, you have to look for rewards or redeem code. So you can go to more and then tap on rewards right here. If you can't find it on the services, you can go to the shortcuts, for example, this one right here, and then under rewards or redeem code, what you're going to do here is you have to basically go to the voucher, and then what you're going to do is you have to tap on the voucher card right here. After that, you need to enter the code, and then you have to tap on claim voucher. So these are first come first serve, and codes often expire quickly, so you must do that. The second thing is that still you have to go to your rewards hub, and then this time what you're going to do is you have to go to rewards tab, click this one right here. Basically, you will see here on the rewards shop, you will see here tasks like learning quizzes, trading tasks, and social campaigns. All you have to do is complete tasks to earn vouchers or token, and once you have that, then you can redeem those enjoy rewards or via voucher code. Now for new users, there is this referral in mystery boxes. So if you are a new user or a new user signing up with a referral code, you can earn welcome bonuses. So all you have to do is complete tasks like deposit or trades to unlock mystery boxes. And box invitee or inviter may receive boxes. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.